friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw a creeper from Minecraft as a smiling critter. So for the eyes on a diagonal, on the top right hand side, we're going to curve this line up for the bottom of the eye. And then we're going to close this off on the top with a nice big arch line from left to right. Let's move across on a diagonal on the left, curving this line around and then up. And then to the left of this, we're going to arch this line back, around, and then down. In the center now, we're going to draw in a nice big oval. And then we'll do the same thing over on the left-hand side. Now for the mouth, on the right-hand side, we're going to curve this line down. We'll do the same thing over on the left. On the top now, we're going to curve this line around and then up. And then we'll do the same thing on the bottom, drawing in a nice big arch line from left to right. For the tongue in the center, we're going to curve this line down, and then we'll move over on the left, replicating that. Let's draw in the head now. So on the top, we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. For the eyebrows, we're going to draw in a nice big arch line on both sides. On the left-hand side now, we're going to bring this curved diagonal line in for the side of the head. And then we'll do the same thing on the right-hand side, ending that at roughly the same height. And now let's close this off on the bottom with a straight line from left to right. For the neck, we're going to curve this line across. To the right of this, we're going to curve this line around and then in. And then on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line in, making that shorter. To the right of this, we're going to draw a diagonal line that comes in. And then we'll do the same thing over on the left-hand side. And now let's close this off on the bottom with a straight line across on both sides. For the pendant in the middle, we're going to draw in a small square in the center. On the top, we're going to draw a straight line that comes across. Moving down, let's replicate that. And then in the middle, we're going to write a T, an N, and then another T. And now from the middle, we're just going to draw in a diagonal line on both sides that comes up. For the left-hand side now, we're going to curve this line around and then in towards the middle. And now from here for the right leg, we're just going to curve this line across. On the bottom, we're going to curve this line out. On the top, we're going to curve this line out towards the side again. On the inside, we're going to curve this line out and then in on the bottom. And then as we move up on the right-hand side, we're going to bring this diagonal line down. Now from here, we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right to close off the foot. And then on the top, we're just going to arch this line over and across. On the top now, we're going to draw a diagonal line that comes up. We're going to curve this line over and then back in. On the bottom, we're going to draw in another curved diagonal line that comes out. And we'll do the same thing on the top, bringing that over and across. On the inside now, we're going to curve this line down. To the left of this, we're going to bring this line down, ending that at the same height. And then we're going to close this off on the bottom with another curved line from left to right. For the last leg behind now, on the inside, we're going to curve this line up. On the top, again, we're going to curve this line further up. On the bottom now, we're going to curve this line over. And then again, we'll do the same thing on the top, curving that out. And then to the left of this, we're going to arch this line around and then in. And then for the bottom of the foot, we're just going to curve this line around and then back up. And that is it. That's how you draw a creeper from Minecraft as a smiling critter from Poppy Playtime. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.